Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about another Laravel package, Jetstream. So first of all, we will open the documentation laravel.com, and here we will click on the Get Started button. So here in the documentation, if you come to the packages, and in packages click on Jetstream. So here you can see the Jetstream documentation, and Jetstream by default comes with Tailwind CSS, and you have two choices, so Livewire with Blade or Inertia with Vue. So if you scroll down here, you can see Laravel plus Blade and Inertia with Vue. So if you want, you can read all of this documentation. But for now, let's go to the installation, and here you can see Composer create project Laravel example app, and here you have a red notice, so new applications only, and it says Jetstream should only be installed into new Laravel application. Attempting to install Jetstream into existing Laravel application will result in unexpected behavior and issues. So that is because when you install the Jetstream package, it will replace your authentication system and CSS and routes. So if you already have a project and you install the Jetstream package on top of it, it will replace your files and your application will not be working properly. So it is recommended to create a new project and on top of it install the Jetstream package, and then you can modify it according to your needs and requirements. So now let's create a new project. So Composer create project Laravel/Laravel, and we will change the name of the app. So we will say Jetstream because we are using that, and let's use Livewire with Blade. So I will say live, and here we will just create a new Laravel application, and this has nothing to do with the Jetstream package. So we are just creating a new Laravel project, and then we will install the Jetstream package later on. So let's wait for our project to be created. And our project has been created successfully. So now let's download the Jetstream package. So just copy that code, and before pasting it here, we need to go to our root directory of the project. So we will say cd and Jetstream live, and now you can download the package into your project. So Composer requires Laravel Jetstream, so we just need to download the Jetstream package. So now we are downloading the Jetstream package, and you can see this package also use some other packages, for example Laravel 45. So if we come here to the authentication, here you can see Laravel 45, and it says under the hood the authentication portion of Jetstream is powered by Laravel 45. So you can read all of the documentation, but I will leave it here. And let's go to the installation and our terminal. So the package has been downloaded successfully, and now install it with Livewire. So just copy the code, and you have different options here. For example, Teams. So if you want to install it with Teams, so you need to write here Teams, And if you want SSR with inertia, so you can write SSR. If you want the dark mode, you can write dark mode. Okay. So here we will just paste it. So install Livewire, and we need the Teams feature, and we need the dark mode, and press enter. So now our Jetstream package will be installed with Livewire plus Blade and the optional features, Teams, and a dark theme. So our package has been installed into our new project successfully. So now let's open it in the Visual Studio Code. So I will write here code. And here you can see all of our project files. So here if we come to app, you can see actions. So if you open actions, you can see Fortify and Jetstream. So the thing is, the Jetstream package don't publish its files into our project. So if you want to modify its features, you can use these actions and make changes to it. So for example, if we go to Fortify and create a new user, here you can see the new user name, email, password. So if you want any change, you can do it here. If you similarly password validations and these other things. And Jetstream, you can see add team members, so all of its personalities, and create team, and all of these things here. So if you want to change anything, you can do it here through these actions. So now let me close these. And you have a user model. So all of the user related things are here for the user model. And here you can see providers. So you have Jetstream service provider. So here you can see some of the personalities provided by this package. So Jetstream role, admin, and editor. So you have two user roles, admin and editor. So the admin can create, read, update, and delete, while the editor can read, create, and update only. So he cannot delete, only the admin can delete it. So these are some of the features provided by the Jetstream package. Now let's open a terminal and open it in the browser. So we will say PHP artisan serve. And let's open it in the browser. So 127. And here you can see your application with dark mode that we have selected. And here you can see login and register. So with the login, you can log in here. So email, password, remember me, forgot password, and those personalities. And here if you go back and register, so here you can register a new user. So for example, if we come here, so let's say admin and admin at example.com and a new password. So I will say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the confirmation password, re-enter the same password again. Here you are redirected to the dashboard. So you can have all of your personalities here. You have teams, so team settings, so the owner of the team, and the team name is admin, and you have team members, so you can invite people here, and what will be the role of that user, so administrator or editor. And here you can check your profile, so profile information, update password, and you have two-factor authentication. So you can use the Google Authenticator. So when you enable this feature, when you log in, you will receive the code in the Google Authenticator app. And browser sessions. So all of the browser sessions are listed here. You can log from other sessions here, and you can delete your account. So now let's close this project and create another project with the view and inertia. So we'll say cd, go back to the original directory, and now here we'll say Laravel new. So if you have the Laravel global installation, so we'll say Laravel new, or you can use the old method as well, but I will use this method. So Laravel new Jetstream, and this time inertia. And here you can see which starter kit will you use. So none, breeze, or Jetstream. So you will use Jetstream for this video. And you want it with Livewire or inertia. So this time you will select inertia. And some of the optional features. So for example, if I want the dark mode, verification, and teams, and SSR. So SSR is a personality of view with inertia. And if you don't know what it is, we will discuss it sometime later in another video. So we just need these ones, and for this video it doesn't matter which framework you use for testing, so I'll just select 1 or 0, whatever you want. So now our new Laravel application will be created, and the Jetstream package will be downloaded and installed with all of the features that we have mentioned. So all of the things will go once. And which database will we use? So I will select SQLite this time. And do you want to run the migration? So I will say yes. So now our project has been created successfully, and now we need to go to our project directory first. And as we are using view and inertia, so we need to install the npm dependencies and then build our assets, and then we can run the project. So we will say cd Jetstream inertia and npm install. And now npm run build. And let's first open the project in the Visual Studio Code. So code. So here you can see app actions, the same things. Okay. Provider, Jetstream provider. And here if you come to resources, here in the JS file, as we are using the view, so all of your files will be here. So for example, all of your components are here, and all of your layout files and all of your pages will be here. So for example, authentication pages and profiles and teams, and so all of these files are created in Vue.js. So now let's open the terminal. So here we'll say composer run dev. And let's see it in the browser. So, and another thing is, Here the view is not on because we are not using view, but in this application we are using Vue.js. So if I refresh, you will see this on. So let's go and open the project, and now this view sign is on, which is a Vue extension that indicates that we are using Vue.js. And this is a single page application. So just by installing a Jetstream package, you have a single page application that and the basic authentication functionalities. So everything is provided for you. Now you can modify it according to your needs and requirements. So now if I go to login page or register page, the whole page will not be reloaded. So here you can see this. So if I go to login, so we have loaded another page, and this has been changed as well, the URL, but the page is not refreshed. And same thing here for register. So you have a single page application here. Now it provides another functionality as well. So if we open the Jetstream, if we open the models, so here you can see must verify email. So whenever you register a user, you will need a verification. So we will send him a verification email, and he needs to verify his email. So let's do that. So we will uncomment this must verify email, and here we will say implements, and let's just copy this. And let's register now. So here we will say admin, and admin at example.com, password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and confirm the same password again, and register. Here now you can see, before continuing, could you verify your email address by clicking on the link that we have sent you. Okay, so now if I go to edit profile, here you can visit your profile, but if you want to go to the dashboard, you can go there. So if I click on it, what will happen? Let's see. Here you can see email verify. So it says first verify the email. So if we come here to the env file, so the Laravel by default email option is the log file. So you can change it, but here for this video, it's in the storage logs. So let's open it. So here you have an email from hello@example.com, and this is the verification link. So let's copy it and verify our account. So if we go to and paste it here and go to that link, now it's verified and you are redirected to the dashboard. So for example, here you can't go there, okay? But if I again go to the profile and click on the dashboard, now this time you can go to the dashboard, okay? Because it's verified. So all of these functionalities are provided by the Jetstream package. So that's all about the Jetstream package, and see you in the next video.